Namaskar, ani swagat cha. You're watching ProStyle Presents Music of Your Choice only on Image channel right now. I'm your host Aisha Chalise. र हरेक दिन जसरी आज पनि 5 to 6 तपाईहरुलाई साथ दिनको लागि हामी आइसकेका छौं. But since it's Wednesday, we have someone really special तपाईलाई साथ दिनको लागि अझै कोही स्पेशल पनि आउनु भएको छ. And talking about her, she is the star, she's the talk of the town right now, and she's extremely talented, extremely beautiful, and I personally think that her personality reflects when she talks, and I really love that about her. She's very well spoken. She is none other than Miss World Nepal 2019, Anushka Shrestha. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Aisha. Thank you.
You look really lovely.
Thank you. So do you. So do you.
So how have you been? What's up?
I have been a little bit well rested. That is good. हाम्रो closed camp पछि family time अलिकति बिताउन पाएका थिएनौं, so spent some good time with family, caught up on some sleep, and back to business now.
So you must you भर्खरै भन्नुभयो तपाई you are well rested भनेर, but you just told me एकछिन अगाडि that you were having interviews after interviews. So is this like working राम्रोसँग काम भएर, like is this like dream come true rest for you, or is it like ठिकै छ, you're used to working a lot?
Well, I am used to working a lot, and I think this is well rest. Getting to sleep 7 to 8 hours is ideal. So this is well rested. काम गर्ने पर्ने टाइममा त काम गर्नै पर्यो नि.
Exactly. So how has it been like the before Miss Nepal World 2019 and after the night भनौं न, what are the differences?
Crowning भन्दा पहिला चाहिँ schedule definitely पहिला पनि त्यतिकै नै packed र hectic थियो, पछि पनि त्यतिकै नै busy छ. Before चाहिँ सिकिरहेको थिएँ, अहिले चाहिँ सिकेको कुरा implement गर्ने time आयो जस्तो लागेछ. So that probably is the biggest difference.
Yeah, I mean to ask, like Miss Nepal 2019 मा participate गर्नु अगाडि र after it's over, what are the differences that you've seen in your life?
I think I've become much more productive and much more positive. That's one thing I notice about myself. Definitely Miss Nepal ma participate garnu agadi pani I tried for sure to be productive and to be positive, succeeded up to a certain extent. I think that post Miss Nepal I have made it, there is no other option. I have to stay positive, and I have to stay productive and proactive. So that's the difference before and after.
Alright, so before as well you were Miss Oceania Nepal 2019 or 18?
18.
So was that your first step towards Miss Nepal, or was that for त्यति बेलाको लागि Miss Oceania मात्रै थियो टार्गेट कि Miss Nepal मै participate गर्छु भनेर त्यसमा जानुभयो?
Miss Nepal मा participate गर्न सक्छु कि सक्दिन हेर्नको लागि चाहिँ मैले participate गरेको थिएँ, because I wanted to. Of course, it's a national platform. It is such a fantastic platform. इच्छा थियो that do I have what it takes भनेर आफूलाई अलिकति टेस्ट गर्नको लागि चाहिँ can I handle the stage presence, am I good enough भन्ने जस्तो टेस्ट गर्नको लागि चाहिँ I participated in that pageant.
So you've passed the test and you've scored really well.
I'm glad.
You've scored excellent.
I'm glad.
So who is your favorite Miss Nepal
Aile-samman? Everyone's unique in their own sense. Everyone's done great things in particular fields. Kaseko travel dekhera I feel like, oh, that's fantastic, I want to do that. Kasele afno personal or professional life balance gareko I feel like I want to do that. There recently bhannu parदाखेरि it has to be Shrinkala Khatiwada, just because I feel that she's spread so much positivity. The impact that she's had most recently is fantastic, not just on the Miss World stage, which was fantastic, राम्रो थियो नै, तर त्यस बाहेक पनि be it about engaging youth in something related to politics, making them interested in it, or making the Nepali language a little bit more popular. I feel that her positivity and her influence has been huge. And the last batch, I think it was, every batch is great, but a little bit biased towards our predecessors maybe.
Okay, alright. So we'll be back in conversation with Anushka Shrestha in a while. Aileko lagi, we're going on towards the first musical break for today. Enjoy the song and we'll be right back. And don't forget, you can also call us up 4006533 and 4006534 are our numbers. Aileko lagi, Hugit. Welcome back. That was everybody's favorite song, including mine and our newly crowned Miss Nepal World 2019, Anushka Shrestha. We were talking about how lovely this song is and about our authentic bazaru and
Absolutely.
Deepa Bhattacharya in general. So you wanted to talk about it. What was it?
Absolutely. I love this song. Isko rhythm, isko beat, isko spirit na isto ramailo cha. And someday, I've never done a flash mob ever, and if I ever do, this will be the song.
That's not a secret anymore.
It wasn't meant to be.
Yeah, but yeah. So after Miss Nepal, say, why do you think it is important for you, Unsani? About जसलाई पनि लाग्छ नि त, it's important to be presentable, it's important to speak well, and it's important to like be agadi. Whoever wants to be in front of a mass has to make sense when they do. So Miss Nepal भएपछि चाहिँ you must have realized that अर्कै तरिकामा you must have experienced it in real it, हैन? So why do you think you should be like correct all the time, or like you should act a certain way भन्ने हुन्छ नि, जुन चाहिँ हामीले usually famous मान्छेहरुसँग expect गरेर हुन्छ, त्यो चाहिँ किन जस्तो लाग्छ?
Well, it's because they're influential. जुन चाहिँ influence आउँछ एउटा platform सँगै, त्यसले people change their actions, their own actions according to what they see. जहाँसम्म looking a certain way भन्ने छ, it's about, मेरो लागि चाहिँ, my understanding is being the best version of yourself, being clean, being tidy, and जहाँसम्म certain appearance को कुरा छ, it's so that people look and listen, because at the end of the day it is about influence. All the platforms, all the attention is to be able to create a positive influence, and everything that we do converges towards that goal, जस्तो लाग्छ.
Exactly. So previously you were saying about currently you are really moved by how Shrinkhala has performed and how she has been looked at as an influence भनेर. So do you think that puts you in some pressure to overcome what she did, or like to perform best? No, but you'll face a huge internet backlash or something like that. Is the case? Huh?
Well, internet backlash is something that I think anyone and everyone faces, regardless. Comparison definitely छ. म त यसलाई I am so blessed जस्तो लाग्छ to be compared to somebody that I admire so much. Not just Shrinkhala, but all of the 5 contestants. If I'm compared against them, I feel really blessed to be even put alongside such personalities. अब कसैको performance beat गर्छु भनेर गयो भने चाहिँ I will really be focusing on what somebody else has done. जस्तो लाग्छ. And there was one thing that helped me in the pageant. It was something one of our directors told all 25 of us before the final night. It was कसैलाई हराउँछु र यसलाई हराएर जित्छु भनेर नसोच्नु, आफू जित्छु भनेर सोच्नु. And that was what I applied, and I think that is something that I will take with me, that I will focus. Of course, I'll try to learn as much as possible from everyone else. I'm very open to learning. तर performance-मा चाहिँ दाँच्दै हैन, आफ्नो 100% त्यो गोलतर्फ लाग्नतिर नै focused हुन्छु होला.
Yeah, because when you compete with yourself and you try to be better than you, that's when magic happens. जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई.
For sure. Well, cliches are cliches for a reason. You know, it's told a lot, it's said a lot, but it's worked a lot. So that's why cliches are cliches. And जहाँसम्म internet backlash को कुरा छ, it's part and parcel. I would only like to take the positivity out of it, अनि बाँकी त काम कुराले नै बन्छ.
Exactly. So out of the five major titles in Miss Nepal 2019, which were you targeting first na participate गर्ने बेला चाहिँ? Because of a different Santa, and all of them are winners. Like the rank ma छैन नि त, it's not in a rank. So which one were you targeting?
I could really relate myself more to the Miss World and Miss Earth pageants, I believe. किनभने उहाँहरुको advocacy सँग चाहिँ अलिकति बेसी closely relate गर्न सक्छु जस्तो मलाई लाग्छ. Of course, all 5 titles have their own specialities, own uniqueness, and I would embrace whatever title, if any, was bestowed my way. तर यो Miss World को जुन चाहिँ beauty with a purpose theme छ र Miss Earth को जुन चाहिँ conservation को theme छ, त्यो दुईटालाई चाहिँ अलिकति बेसी अझ closely relate गर्न सक्छु जस्तो लाग्थ्यो.
So despite the Hidden Treasure putting like so much emphasis on giving it as like the winners of Miss Nepal 2019 भनेर 5 जना declare भएको हो नि त, it's not like it's in a rank जस्तो त होइन नि त. So From your side, what do you think you can do to change the misconception of जुन छ नि runner-ups भन्ने खालको idea छ नि त general public मा चाहिँ. So what do you think you can do to change that, or like के गर्न सकिन्छ होला?
Well, I started off many interviews in the past couple of days. Whenever I'm addressed, यो वर्षको मिस नेपाल भन्दाखेरि यसपालि हामी 5 जना मिस नेपाल छौं. म त मिस नेपाल वर्ल्ड परे भनेर. That is how I've started a couple of my interviews. So I think that is something that I've done personally. This बाहेक पनि whenever we're invited, I make sure to ask, is it just the 5 of us? When are you inviting the rest of the ladies?
Yeah.
And I'm glad that I'm told we want to give due attention to everyone. We don't want to invite 5 of you अनि 5 जना बोलाएर 2-2 मिनेट कुरा हैन, हामी मजाले कुरा गर्न चाहन्छौं भनेर सुन्दा खुशी पनि लाग्छ. So आफ्नो साइडबाट little things, even in seating arrangements, when we're told to sit a certain way, I make sure to say कि आफ्नो साइडबाट हैन, हामी 5 जना हो, we can stand any way we like. So those are the little things.
Yeah, because I've noticed the seating and standing arrangements, because पहिला त्यस्तो हुँदैन थियो, and I'm really glad that you're doing things from your side as well. But for now, we're going on towards another musical break. तपाईहरु हामीलाई कल गर्दै गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ 40065333 र 40065334 हाम्रो नम्बरहरु रहेका छन्. अहिलेको लागि अर्को पनि गीत. Welcome back. You are still watching ProStyle Presents Stars on Music of Your Choice. We have someone really shining bright right now here. literally a star with us, and she is none other than Miss Nepal World 2019. Anushka Shrestha, welcome back one more time.
Thank you.
We're having a really good time talking off air pani, you know. So, what do you think? Like, do you take it as a pressure, or is it a pleasure to you? The carefulness you have to adopt after being a beauty queen. Do you see tapaiलाई pressure जस्तो लाग्छ कि is it like a pleasure to you?
I do not take it as pressure. The day that I start taking it as pressure, and I feel relieved the moment I don't have to do it, I'll start disliking my work, and I don't want to be at that point. मलाई बिहान 5 बजे ready भएर पुग्नु छ पनि त्यसमा रमाइलो नै हेर्नु छ. The fact that maybe I have to maintain different looks every day, try to look different, be it walking in heels. I want to enjoy it, because the day I start not enjoying it, that means म मेरो काम enjoy गरिराखेको हुँदिन र I don't want to be at that point.
So there are a lot of critics of a beauty pageant in general. Okay, so what do you think about कति कुराहरु हुन्छ नि beauty pageants are really exclusive of how they want their contestants to be it in terms of height or how they look. So what do you think about it? त्यसलाई चाहिँ कसरी लिनुहुन्छ?
मैले त्यसलाई objectively नै लिन्छु. Beauty pageants in general, I don't believe that they say that this is the only or this is the perfect way of being भनेर भन्दैन. It is one way of being भनेर मात्रै भन्छ, and you have a choice whether you want to be that way out there or not. So that's how I look at it.
So अनि this बाहेक चाहिँ like there are questions about beauty pageants really empowering women or not भनेर. अब menहरुको पनि कति हुन थालिसक्यो. So beauty pageants really empowers somebody or not भन्ने questions-हरु छ नि त. So how do you think it empowers them? Because you as someone, a title holder, you should know how it has empowered you. So कसरी चाहिँ गर्छ जस्तो लाग्छ?
The training that backs up these pageants is I think what really empowers contestants in general, because the training is all about personal leadership, personal development. It is about finding clarity of who you are, what you want to do, and take charge of doing what you want to do. So the training बाट निस्किसक्दाखेरि चाहिँ with or without the crown, we say everyone comes out with an invisible crown, and I feel that is so true. The training that goes behind the pageants to enable people to present their thoughts, to have the clarity of thoughts in their own mind, to initiate things that they're passionate about, I think that's really empowering. अब कतिजनाले long term लानुहुन्छ लानुहुन्न भन्ने कुरा त त्यो personal preference ho bhanau haina, but as a platform in general or as a show in general, I really feel that the training that backs up these pageants is the thing that empowers people.
All right, we have a caller right now. हाम्रो Miss Nepal World 2019 सँग कुरा गर्न कोही आइसक्नु भएको छ, सो उहाँलाई स्वागत गरौँ. हेलो
नमस्ते.
नमस्ते, को बोल्नु भयो कहाँबाट?
म पोखरादेखि दृष्टि आचार्य.
पोखरादेखि दृष्टि आचार्य.
हजुर
What do you do, Drishti? के गर्नुहुन्छ?
बेसिकली आई एम अ स्टुडेन्ट अहिले चाहिँ अनि अपार्ट फ्रम द्याट त्यस्तो अरू चाहिँ केही पनि त्यस्तो अरू चाहिँ केही पनि छैन
Alright, so you have questions for our newly crowned Miss Nepal World
Oh,
2019.
I'm so happy today. Kasma, I have seen in her story.
Oh, fantastic. Hi, Drishti. Thank you for calling.
दिदीलाई नै हेर्नको लागि टिभी खोलेर अनि हेरेको कि ठ्याक्क देखेँ
That's so sweet of you.
अनि उहाँलाई चाहिँ मैले इन्स्टामा नि फलो मैले मिस नेपालबाटै फलो गर्दै आएको हो कि अनुष्का दिदीलाई
हजुर
अनि पर्सनली मेरो चाहिँ एकदम फेभरेट पनि हो अनि आई हेभ फलोइङ हर सिन्स बिफोर देन मिस नेपाल अल्सो एन्ड
Thank you, Drishti. Thank you.
थ्याङ्क यू
So you have questions for her भन्नुभएको थियो है?
क्वेसन चाहिँ अब मिस नेपाल भइसक्नु भएको छ है उहाँ
So
अनि
question
अलिक बोल्न
भन्दाखेरि
पनि
just
कस्तो डर
admiration.
लागिरहेको कि मलाई
हजुर?
बोल्न पनि कस्तो अलिक डर लागेको जस्तो
नडराउनुहोस् न प्लिज तपाईँ पक्कै मेरो इन्स्टाग्राममा हुनुहुन्छ भने तपाईँले मेसेज पठाउनु भएको छ भने मैले पक्कै रिप्लाई पनि गरेको
मैले
हुनुपर्छ
हजुरलाई म बोली पनि राख्छु हजुरले याद चाहिँ अब धेरै आउँछ होला मेसेज याद चाहिँ गर्नु भएन होला बट मैले मेसेज चाहिँ गरेको थिएँ
होइन होइन म सक्दो सबै मेसेज रिप्लाई गर्छु तपाईँको छुटेको भए माफ पाऊँ म पक्कै गएर चेक गर्छु दृष्टि आचार्य फ्रम पोखरा आई मेक नोट तपाईँको इन्स्टाग्राम नेम पनि त्यही नै छ दृष्टि
दृष्टि आचार्य 99 छ मेरो
पर्फेक्ट आई फाइन्ड यू
ओके अनि अब हजुर चाहिँ मिस नेपाल भइसक्नु भएको छ अनि त्यसपछि त्यो जुन पहिला मिस नेपाल हुनुभन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ हजुरले केही पहिल्यैबाटको हजुरको चाहिँ यो एउटा अब पहिल्यैबाट म सानैबाट चाइल्डहुड ड्रिम हुन्छ नि त्यस्तो पहिल्यैबाट म जान्छु मिस नेपाल हुन्छु भनेर त्यो हजुरको एउटा अठोट पहिल्यैबाट थियो कि पछि चाहिँ हजुरले देखेर पछि अब कसैबाट इन्सपायर भएर त्यो कुरा चाहिँ हजुरमा आयो त्यो चाहिँ जान्न मन लाग्यो मलाई
हजुर सो पहिल्यैबाट सानैबाट एकदम ठुलो सपना भनेर ठुलो सपना त सधैँ सकारात्मक काम गर्ने चाहिँ ठुलो सपना थियो त्यसलाई कुन प्लेटफर्मबाट गर्ने भन्दाखेरि पनि मिस नेपाल प्लेटफर्म पनि राम्रो लाग्ने थियो त्यो दुईटालाई कनेक्ट गरेको चाहिँ सायद 3-4 वर्ष मात्रै भयो होला कि यो प्लेटफर्मबाट नै म आफ्नो बिग ड्रिम पुरा गर्छु भनेर अनि त्यो आँटेको चाहिँ 6-7 महिनै मात्र भयो
ए हजुर हजुर अनि यु आर सो ट्यालेन्टेड त्यो हुनुहुन्छ नि लाइक हजुरलाई हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ कस्तो फिल हुन्छ भने मलाई वी हेभ लाइक दिस लाइक हुन्छ नि हजुर जस्तो मान्छेहरू पनि के यस्तो डिजर्भिङ एकदम म त हजुरले त्यो जित्दाखेरि पनि एकदम कस्तो खुसी भइरहेको थिएँ नि अनुष्का दिदीले म त स्योर नै जस्तो भइसकेको थिएँ कि हजुरले जित्नुहुन्छ भनेर त्यति बेला
थ्याङ्क यू सो मच
पहिल्यैबाट फलो गरिराखेको अनि हजुरहरूको त्यो पोस्टहरू हेर्दा एकदम इन्टेलिजेन्ट अनि हजुरले इन्टेलेक्चुअलमा पनि पाउनु भयो नि त अनि त्यही भएर एकदम राम्रो लाग्छ यु आर सो हम्बल अनि राम्रो बोल्नु हुँदो रहेछ आई एम सो ह्याप्पी
थ्याङ्क यू सो मच
थ्याङ्क यू सो मच दृष्टिजी कल गरिदिनु भयो आउने दिनहरूमा पनि हामीलाई कल गर्दै गर्नुहोला अब बस्दै गीत कसलाई देखाउन चाहनुहुन्छ
फर्स्ट अफ अल हाम्रो मिस नेपाल वर्ल्ड अनि हजुरको लागि एन्ड त्यसपछि यो इमेज च्यानल हेर्नुहुने सबै सम्पूर्ण उसहरूको लागि एन्ड मेरो फ्यामिली फ्रेन्ड्स सबैको लागि
Thank you so much, Drishti ji. Call garde garnuhola हामीलाई अहिलेको लागि. We're going on towards another musical break. We'll be right back. Welcome back. All right, that was our final commercial break on ProStyle Presents Music of Your Choice, and you're watching it with me, Ayusha, as well as Miss Nepal World 2019, Anushka Shrestha. We have been talking quite a lot off air, Pani, and I'm having a great time. We don't have much time remaining, so I have to ask you this question. What are you planning for in the future? Kids are future plans, I would say.
Future plans, I see myself working a lot. Think I'm a workaholic.
Yeah.
So काम गरिरहेकै देख्छु आफूलाई. Scope चाहिँ area चाहिँ आफू management background को भएकोले that is something that I like. So financial management background तिर नै industry तिर नै लाग्छु जस्तो देख्छु. Capability development is something that interests me as well. So financial management, somewhere along those lines.
Yeah, so as Miss Nepal World 2019, what are the things that you will be advocating for or like talking about in the future?
I will be associated with a lot of parties that I'm sure that are associated with the Hidden Treasure. So हेर्न नै बाँकी छ कि उहाँहरूको के themes छ त्यसमा engage हुन बाँकी नै छ. त्यसबाहेक personally what I am really passionate about is taking responsibility for yourself. Self-accountability is something that I really believe in. So blame game खेल्नु भन्दाखेरि पनि how to personal leadership is something that I'm passionate about.
So about yourself, you were a student Sydney ma, हैन? So what do you think about this ongoing trend भन्दा पनि it's like a must जस्तो नै भइसक्यो सोसाइटीमा, it's a status quo as well, sending their kids abroad for studies, अनि students not opting to study in Nepal, अनि migration धेरै भइरहेछ, so student as well as employment को लागि पनि धेरै छ. So what do you think about it?
I feel one needs to know your why you're going भनेर. As you rightly mentioned, it sometimes becomes about status as well. That priorities चाहिँ एकदम ठाउँमा हुनुपर्छ जस्तो लाग्छ. र long term priorities पनि timeline अनुसार अलिकति planning चाहिँ गर्नुपर्छ. Not just the person going, if it's a young student that's going, of course the families as well. कि हामी किन पठाउँदैछौँ, के हो त भनेर अलिकति timeline अनुसार planning चाहिँ हुनुपर्छ जस्तो लाग्छ. If you really want to return after a certain time, यस्तो नहोस् कि मलाई त आउनु मन थियो, कतिखेर समय बित्यो नै थाहा भएन, 10 वर्ष बितेको थाहा भएन, त्यो भन्दा त कस्तो नमज्जा भयो नि त, आफ्नो लाइफको कन्ट्रोल नै हराएको जस्तो. So know why you're going there, know why you want to come back, have your priorities set straight. धेरैजनाको most commonly एउटा working atmosphere, family नै आउँछ त्यो priority को listमा. So don't let that out of sight before it's too late and you've spent 15 years somewhere and त्यसपछि भन्नुको सट्टा. Absolutely.
So about yourself, we've talked very little about yourself and a lot more about what you're going to do and what you think about things. So about yourself, how would you describe yourself as a person? How are you?
I think I am a very laid back, a balance between, as we were discussing, Monica and Chandler. I'd really like to be a Phoebe or a Joey, but unfortunately I am a Monica and I try to get that sarcasm off of Chandler, so make what you will out of that. I'd like to believe that I am kind, humility and empathy चाहिँ आफ्नो हरेक चीजको कोरमा राख्न खोज्छु. त्यसबाहेक I feel I have a wicked sense of humor, but my sister, who shares your name, would disagree. That my sense of humor is quite lame. So yes, that's me. I'm pretty simple. I'm not a high maintenance kind of a person. I enjoy what I do. I like having my close friend circle around me. And
so how social of a person you are? Like, अब कुनै नयाँ ठाउँ गयो भने, would you be the one to make the most friends out of the place, or like would you be like in between?
If I go somewhere, that's the thing, I don't go many places. Social banale pani, I don't hang out a lot with people, but if and when I do, I will speak to anybody and everybody because I just love listening to stories mostly, more than sharing my own stories. I love listening to stories and knowing more about people.
So you're more of a listener than a talker, or is it like in between again?
I'd like to think so. आफू गएर बोल्ने भन्दाखेरि पनि अरूको कुरा सुन्यो, and then a genuine conversation starts. I don't like going अनि बोल्नको लागि बोल्या भन्दा पनि I really like having genuine conversations. I like following up with my contacts. जस्तो कसैसँग साथी भइहाल्यो भने timely follow up गरिराख्ने. That's the kind of person I am.
So what made you the person you are as a जस्तो लाग्छ? People, or like obviously there must be someone who's like your backbone or has supported you throughout, like बच्चैदेखि अहिलेसम्म, who has been your idol or something like that. अब हुन्छ नि कुनै influential कुरा or person, who is that or what is that?
It has been a balance of a lot of people in my life, most majorly being my mother, the complete backbone. उहाँको जुन चाहिँ characteristics छ, जुन चाहिँ मैले अघि भने empathy, kindness र humility, मैले उहाँमा देखेर नै राम्रो मान्छे हुनलाई त्यो हुनुपर्छ जस्तो लागेर नै मैले आफूमा त्यो एमुलेट गर्न खोज्छु. And also her adaptability to change, saying that मलाई यो थाहा छैन अथवा म यस्तो थिएँ, हुन्छ नि समय अनुसार चेन्ज हुनुपर्छ अथवा मबाट यो गल्ती भयो कि. Just that humility to accept change and adaptability. That's from my mother, from my sister of course. मेरो बहिनीबाट मैले धेरै आटिलो हुन सिकेँ, हुन्छ नि चीजहरुलाई अलि सिरियसली नलिन सिकेँ. त्यस्तै धेरै जना साथीहरुबाट पनि धेरै कुरा सिकेछु छु. So it's a lot about some key people in my life that they've all played a very big part in what I am today.
So do you think you've also been a key person in somebody else's life? Who would it be?
I'd like to think so. साथीहरुले भन्दाखेरि एक दुईवटा कुरामा चाहिँ तोकेरै भन्नुहुन्छ जुन चाहिँ खुसी लाग्छ मलाई. म धेरै फोनमा झुन्डिने बानी थियो के पहिला, स्कुल छँदाखेरि मोबाइल पनि धेरै हुँदैन थियो. अनि यस्तो फोन बिल स्काई रकेट गर्ने कि मामुको यस्तो गाली खान्थे होइन जतिखेर पनि फोनमा झुन्ड्यो भनेर बट आफ्टर स्कुल वाज ओभर जब साथीहरूले भन्नुहुन्थ्यो कि ए तैँले फोन नगर्दाखेरि त ग्रुपै भेटिएन भन्दाखेरि कस्तो खुसी पनि लाग्थ्यो कि त्यो रोल सायद प्ले गर्थेँ कि भनेर I know, right? So maybe that. And also about positivity, it's something that I've been teaching myself as well. I was not a very positive person. तर आफूले आफूलाई त्यो सिकाउने क्रममा चाहिँ even at school what I would do is मैले केही पढाएको बुझिनँ भने म कसैलाई पढाउन खोज्थेँ कि अनि उसले बुझ्यो भने उसले पनि बुझ्यो मैले पनि बुझ्यो जस्तो हुन्थ्यो algebra-मा. I used to take my sister when she was in year 3 and teach her algebra. She hated me for it. But similar with life lessons, if I believe in something, I'll discuss it with somebody. So alikati serious ra mature gaf huncha bhancha masanga, which is the code word for adulthood and old, but that's fine. So yeah, those are the things that I think I add on to a friend circle.
All right, we really wanted to talk more, but we don't have much time remaining, obviously, and with this we'll have to say goodbye for today. And you guys keep on watching Image channel for more information and entertainment. We'll be back tomorrow again 5 to 6 p.m. Bye bye, have a lovely time ahead.